Good morning, welcome to Guaranty RV. This morning we're going to show you the Chaparral, stock number T38067. It's a 31-foot bunkhouse model Coachmen Chaparral. To start off here, if you notice we have a front molded cap on here with LED lighting. The nice thing about this cap here, it's rounded off on the corner for tight turning radius. So you can pull this with a short bed pickup truck. The thing with the short bed pickup truck, you probably would need a slider on there, your slider hitch for your tighter turns, a 90-degree turn. But that's really nice when you have the molded front cap on here. Moving along here, we have a full-length power awning here. It comes with an LED lighting all the way down the side, so at night you have a real nice lighting out here. And there's lots of storage in here. We have pass-through storage all the way through. You put all your camping gear and everything in here. The reason why is because this is a bunkhouse model, and with the kids you're probably going to bring a few things with you. Moving around here, this does come with outdoor speakers on here and an outdoor kitchen. This is really nice. Pull out the burner here. You have a stove, a refrigerator, a sink. And that's really nice for outdoor cooking, especially breakfasts in the morning, which is what I've found. And this just slides in and out. The nice thing about it with the full length awning and with the cover here, if you do have inclement weather and it's raining outside, you are under cover, which is really, really nice. Notice on the back end here, this is where your bunkhouse is. So the kids do have a window out back here, so it does let light in the back end of the fifth wheel. And this does have power electric jacks, so this is how you control your jacks. You have one button on the back end and you have one in the front end, and this is where you plug in for your power cord wheel. Now I got an idea here. Why don't we step inside and I'll show you a few things inside here. Okay, we'll start with the living room area here. Nice thing you have is you have a nice couch here and a big U-shaped booth dinette, which will turn into a nicer big bed. Now what happens is when you have the kids and you want to play games and everything, you can also put a seat on this side right here, so everyone can sit around the table and play your games or eat. Through the back here, there's actually 3 bunks in here, 2 on the top and 1 on the bottom. So it's good sleeping for 3. The nice thing about this is if the kids go to bed and you want to be out here watching TV, you can close the door and they have their own room. This has a nice big pantry in here for all your food. So you have a pantry up on top and pantry on the bottom. So plenty of room to put everything. So you have 3 sleeping back here. You can have another 1 or 2 sleeping right there. Right back behind you here, this is your entertainment center. This comes without a TV, but a TV mounts right here. This is a DVD and CD player right here, so you can just pop in a CD or a DVD and you can watch your movie. Moving along here. This right here is your bathroom. The nice thing about this shower right here is this door does slide open sideways. The nice thing about that is your door doesn't open to the outside here where water drips on the floor, and it's a bigger oversized shower. It does have a skylight for a few taller people. And some things that some bathrooms don't have, which this one does have, it has a place for like towels and other necessities. Now moving back towards the bedroom. You have a nice queen size bed. There's plenty of room here to sleep. You have storage on the side. Put your things in here as long as storage on this side, and this is a hanging storage, and then you have a couple of dresser drawers. Now the nice thing about this is made for people. Lots of sleeping, lots of comfort. You have plenty of area for people to sleep, store things, and that's what makes this really nice. Now I'm going to show you a couple more things here real quick. A couple things right here. Everything's located right here. Here's your power awning button. This is your side control, and then these are all your light switches. They're right by the door, so when you come in, you can just hit the buttons, turn on all your lights, and you don't have to go searching around for light switches or anything anywhere. Now the one good thing about the Chaparral is this does have a composite for your walls. It's called Asdale, so there's no wood in the walls. It's a composite. Basically it's plastic and it's all aluminum frame, so it's lightweight, a lot better insulated. So the nice thing about Coachmen is because of the materials they use, you get a lighter coach that's stronger, a lot better insulated, great for camping, great for kids. You'll find this extremely comfortable if you have a lot of people that you want to bring with you. So again, my name's Eric.Kaneshiro. We're here at Guaranty RV. If you're interested in this chaparral, please do not hesitate to call me. Thank you very much.